Hello, I'm going to show you how to create your own map on Google Maps, right? So if you want to do this, you switch on your computer and open a browser, right? And reach Google and Google for My Maps. Okay, the first link you get is the link that will get you to Google Maps. A website like this will show, and you click this button, Start. You have to select a Gmail account. You cannot use the one you have with the school, the one ending Fernando Tres Martos, because it doesn't work. I don't know why. And you have to use one ending gmail.com, right? You enter your password and you're in. Okay, you will be shown this board. I have some maps done, but you always can create a new map. So you click on create a new map. And you are shown this Google Maps page, image. Here you have several tools. The first one, the one with the hand, allows you to move around the earth, okay, and go to the place you want to go. This one is called the placeholder, and is when you find a place you want to visit, you click on this tool, right? Then you click on the map and you got the place. For example, we clicked on Madrid and we're in. We can, if you click on the right button of your mouse, you can erase this placeholder, right? And you can also draw lines. You can draw a route, a car route, a route on a bike, a pedestrian route. Okay, we're just going to create lines, right? You can also show directions, but you're going to do like a simple map. Okay. Now, for example, we are going to create now a map that a trip to travel in England to nice universities in the United Kingdom. Okay, so as we live in Spain, for example, we are going to start our journey in Malaga because we are going to get our flight there. So we can search Malaga airport. You can do your search either in Spanish or English, whatever you want. We got it here, and we're taken to the airport. Okay, we add a placeholder here and we name it Start Malaga Airport. And you can also add a photograph of the airport if you got one, and you can also add some text, some explanations of what's the meaning of this placeholder. For example, we're going to say we are starting our trip here. Okay, starting our trip here. When we are happy with the result, we save it, right? Okay, from Malaga we are flying to London, and for example, we are traveling to in London there are several airports. For example, let's go to the biggest one. It's called Heathrow. It is here, and we travel to Heathrow Airport. This is another landmark in our journey, so we add a new placeholder. Heathrow Airport. And we say what's happening here. We arrive in London in London via this big airport. Vaya. Right, we keep it. Imagine that you have an image of the airport. You can click on add image, and you can look for images on Google and say, okay, Heathrow Airport. And you can use one of the images you find here. I like this one. We select this image, and there it is. We got the image, the text, together with our placeholder. We save it, and from the London airport, this big London airport, we are moving straight forward to one of the most important universities in England. This is the Oxford University. We say Oxford, and okay, let's say college. This is not the one. University. Now this is Oxford. The whole city is a university. So if you want to visit a particular college, a particular school, Merton College, Oriel College, you can go wherever you want. If you just want to visit Oxford, okay, placeholder in Oxford. In the explanation, we can explain that Oxford is one of the oldest universities in Britain, and you can write a bigger text if you want. Okay, to save time, we are not going to do much here. We're looking for a picture for Oxford University, for example, the Bodleian Library, that is very iconic. We search it, you'll see, and this is the nice library that the Oxford University has, right? We save it, and where are we going now? We're going to Cambridge University, another big one in the United Kingdom. Same thing again. Cambridge is full of different colleges and campuses, so you can place your placeholder wherever you want. For example, let's see, city center. Okay, we're going here, Cambridge. We write a text explaining what the University of Cambridge is, why it is interesting to visit this place. We can look for a picture of it. Cambridge University, and we choose a picture we like. Okay, this one is fine. Select it and add it to our placeholder so everybody can see. Okay, we saved it, and we're going to make another stop. For example, we are going to Scotland. Okay, Edinburgh University. Okay, the University of Edinburgh, right? Here we are directed to the University of Edinburgh. Our placeholder here, same thing as we did for the others. Edinburgh University. We explain why it is a good stop in our journey. Look for a picture. And okay, I like this one. Select it. Okay, here it is. We move it to see what it looks like, and we save it. Here on your left, you'll find all the different stops that you have created in your journey. Okay, imagine that it has finished. So we're zooming out so we can see the whole trip. Okay, and if we want, we are going to draw lines indicating where we moving from. If you want to zoom in or zoom out the map to make it bigger or smaller, you can use, if you got a mouse with a wheel, a little wheel in the middle that you can roll, you can do it with the wheel, rolling the wheel. Okay, if your mouse has got no wheel, you have two controls here, plus and minus. This way you enlarge the map, and the other way you make it smaller. So if we want to see the whole journey, we go and we enlarge the map like this, and we are going to draw our first line. Okay, let's make it a little bigger with the wheel, and we start in Malaga Airport. We start drawing a line. To draw a line, you have to click your mouse, okay, your left button, and you cannot release it until you have finished the line. This is easier to be done if you, at the same time, if you want to make the map smaller, if you roll the wheel at the same time. Okay, we go up, 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 up. We are in England. Okay, remember, do not release the button of a mouse, otherwise the line would stop. And there we go, Heathrow. Okay, wait, if you see this, if you don't do a double click, you continue to draw a line. So if you want to finish the line here, you double click. But we are going to move to other places, so we keep on. Next place is Oxford. Okay, this is our second stop. Click, and the line moves there. Third stop, Cambridge. Click, and we go up, 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 up to Edinburgh, Edinburgh, up, up. There it is. Edinburgh, 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 Edinburgh University. If we want, we can draw the line back to Malaga. If we're flying from Edinburgh, we finish the line again in Malaga. Okay. It's a little bit complicated at times. Or maybe, okay, we finish the line in Edinburgh. You don't have to draw the way back. If we want to finish the line, we just click again, right? And we can also name the line. The line is going to be called British Universities Roads. For example, we can explain what we are doing. This is a trip from Spain to Britain, where we are going to visit 3 of the most important universities in the country. If we wanted, we could add a picture. I'm not going to do it, and we save it. We close the tab, and here it is. The map is done. We can name our map, Our map is going to be called Trip to British Universities. If we want to make a description of the trip, we can do it there, and we save it, right? And the map has been created. This is the map. This is what it would look like. And that's it. This is the way you can create a map. It's a very simple map on Google Maps. I hope you find it easy and you can create your own map soon. See you.